Hello everyone, it's Frances with your Book of Memories. I'm certainly glad you can join me for this update and new project share. What's been going on with my tutorials? Well, yep, you guessed it. From now on, I'll be charging $10 per tutorial. Some big ones may vary to $20, but how do you gain access to them? Easy. I've replaced each link in every video that takes you directly to my new webpage where you can gain access and start crafting along with me. By the way, it's all ad-free, okay? All advertisement-free. Some tutorials here will remain available, and I will continue to share all my new projects here on YouTube as well. And to you special ones that donated to make this all possible, you will have access to one free video of choice that excludes my newest one, which brings me to it, okay? My Simple Mini Album version 3. I'll leave the link for this tutorial down below. And this album does use the hidden hinge, so thank you so much, Kathy King, for allowing us to use that. It's an absolute wonderful creation. So for the ones that donated, you guys know who you are. Go ahead and go in the comments section and leave me an email. I'll have my email down there below. So after you check the website, you can let me know which one it is that you want. So right here, straight away, you already can see that it's got a shabby chic, vintage type of look to it. You guys remember the paper line, but I forgot it, okay? There's a lot of things from Hobby Lobby like this and this beautiful rosette trim. I just trimmed pieces off and placed them around the book as well. Thank you, Ginger Rop. She gave this to me. These are little frames. They're just so super cute. And I got some stash lace. There's a couple flowers from JS Hobbies. And it's just an absolute blast to make. And if you've never made an album before, this is definitely one that you can do. So right here, we got a lace closure, right? Thanks to you all, you helped me choose the size of what this book was gonna be. So thank you so much for that. This is like a little tassel of raggedy cotton twine, okay, and I just attached a little bit of it right there. And here's the back, okay, super cute. Okay, so you can slip actually photo underneath here as well. I left it open. So when you open this up, very simple. The front inside cover, of course, has lace and some more of the rosette trim and a super cute pocket with the photo mat in there. I love the journaling lines with the craft. It just pops it off the page. I love it. And I have a lot of swing tabs in here, so it's super fun. We've got our first flap right here, and it does hold 3.5 by 5 photographs. There's a little 49 market flower and just a little bit of cheesecloth. You're gonna see a lot of layering. I used a ticket stub design with my circle punch. That's super cute. And you're gonna have a lot of space for photos in this little tiny guy. 3 pocket pages. And it was actually inspired by one of my older books back then. And we've got this. Okay, you could choose to put a photo on there or even journal. Totally up to the person that creates it. It's their book. Look at this. We've got a super cute little butterfly punch from JS Hobbies. And I just, since I didn't have any cut aparts or things like that with this paper line, you know how our stash can be, things go missing. I just had to make my own little embellishments and things like that. So this opens up. Super quick and easy book. I'm telling you, 3.5 by 5 photographs right there, place for journaling. That just ties back up. And then we've got another swing tab right here, and this folds down. We got like these little photo mats directly on top of the pockets. Some fussy cut banners, a lot of the journaling pen action, a lot of the chalk marker. This comes together in just a day. It was so fun, oh my gosh. Especially using your stash. Look at this pocket down here on the flap. Super cute. This just closes right back up, and here's another pocket page right here. I just decided to put journaling lines on there. You don't have to do that. I left this open so you could stick the photo in there. Okay, so on this side, my friend ended up telling me that this swing tab actually really isn't useful, but it's still cute because it would operate just the same with just this one. But you know what? In the tutorial, you go ahead and decide if you want to put that or not. Super cute little place there, little layering. I've cut one of those hearts down to make them smaller. Little pocket down here. Super cute. We've got a little cluster right there. And again, one of those super cute flowers. And this is a frame. Okay, I made this into a frame. Super cute journaling space on behind there. Now, we don't always need that plastic in front. Look how beautiful it is just without it. Okay, you be the decide. You decide what you want to do with that. Okay, here's a pocket page for that one. And you don't have to put the journaling lines. You can leave it blank like that. Super cute right here on the last page. Another swing tab, little place for journaling or a small photo, and this opens up like this. It's a little pocket right here. So easy. This book was so easy to make. And then these flip up like this. A place for journaling right there. So these kind of fold out on each other. And then the back and side cover is the same as the front. Got a quick, easy 4x6 photo mat right there. And this is so quick and easy. I'll leave the tutorial link down below. Thank you all who decide to support me with your happy buck. I just appreciate it so very much, and I hope I can see you right over there. Bye.